Welcome to Yoga with Ariel. Today I'm going to show you how to get into crow pose, Bakasana. So Bakasana is a pretty easy arm balance, fairly basic. A lot of people think it has to do with arm strength, but to tell the truth, it's really a lot more about core strength. And so to get into crow, you'll plant your hands underneath your shoulders with your fingers spread nice and wide. And start to walk your feet up toward your hands. And bend your knees, use your triceps as a shelf here for your knees. And from there, gaze is about 6 inches forward, and you'll shift your weight forward into your hands. Great, and that's crow pose right there. If you feel stable and you want a little bit more, start to play with lifting your feet. Start with one foot. You can try the other foot. If you feel really good, try both feet together. I got a couple of different tips for you if you have some common issues. So some people are worried about falling on their face. And so to be honest, you're not really that far from the mat. But if you are worried about falling, you can use your block and place it underneath your head. If you don't have a block, you can use pillows, you can stack up some books, be creative. So that'll look like this. It's the same thing, you plant your hands under your shoulder, underneath your shelf. You lift your feet and place your forehead on the block. If you feel steady, lift your forehead off. You can even tip your block to the highest height if that feels a little bit too low. Another issue that people have is that they feel like they can't get their hips high enough at the beginning. So if that is something that happens to you, you can start with your feet on your block. So place your block down, shortest height, stand on it, and plant your hands, and bring your knees onto your triceps. Nice, stay here, or again, if you feel steady, lift your feet. So if crow pose is a posture that you feel pretty good about, you're looking for an extra challenge, you can squeeze the block between your feet. You stand your block up on the tallest height. Set yourself up. And come into your crow, and as you lift your feet, grab the block between them and squeeze. By squeezing the block between your feet, you'll get an even deeper activation in your core muscles. Another challenge I like to offer to make crow a little bit different, add a different variation, different layer, is to move from crow into tripod. So come into your crow, and as you feel steady, lower down onto the crown of your head. Right, maybe stay there, maybe extend your legs to headstand. The really challenging part is then coming back up into crow from here. As you can see, I did struggle with that a little. It's been a while since I practiced that. That is a really great core strengthening exercise. Okay, so whether you're new to crow, been doing it for a long time, I hope that you learned something new today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.